Hi everyone, my name is raohamzatariq, and in this video we will learn how can we connect Slack to our Hermes Agent. So we don't need to open our laptop, we just command the Slack and our agent will run. Okay, so we have to understand that why it's important, because if you are in your office and you do not have a laptop right here, we have to do something. So you just open the Slack app and give the message to Hermes Agent, and Hermes Agent will handle everything. So that's why it is so amazing tool to connect to the Hermes Agent with this Slack. I have made the proper documentation about this, that how can you set up, but in this video we will go deeply through this whole step. So now first of all you can see if so there is an option channel in the sidebar. Just click on it. After clicking on it, you can see there's a multiple gateway providers you can attach, like Telegram or Slack, WhatsApp, or there's a multiple ones more. But I have to select only Slack because in this video we will cover Slack. So just click on this on button and configure button. Now you can see there's two options, Slack core token and Slack user app token. Okay, app token, sorry. So we have to get this from the Slack website. So if you don't have the Slack account, so just go to the Slack and create your account, create your workspace, then right by here, click on this guide button. Now the app up here. So just click on this app button. So just click on this app button. But before going to this, I'm just showing that I have make this whole documentation, so you don't need to worry about this. I will share this documentation PDF link in the description. In this documentation, I have covered every step-by-step guide that how can you set up, so you don't need to worry about this. Let's go back to our Slack app and create the app. So there's an option to select the template, but I will not going to selecting template. We just use the blank app and just click on continue button. Now enter your app name. I'm writing name Hermes testing. Yeah, Hermes testing is quite good for now. So select your workspace. If you don't have your if you don't have any account, so you have to just create your account. So whenever you create app, so you see your workspace. Now click on create button. Yeah, so as you can see, there's it is showing the Hermes testing, and our app has created. Now we have to know that our main agenda is to get these two tokens. Okay, so these tokens requires some configuration in the Slack. So go back to our Slack and go to the socket mode here. Yeah, click on the socket mode. Make sure the socket mode has enabled. I'm just making it disabled and then enable it again. So we can see our, we can create the token. Okay, so now just enter the token name. I'm entering token name testing. Make sure that the connection and this is colon right has selected as a scope of this token. Now click on create button. Now you see your token. Copy this token. Go back to the Hermes Agent and paste this app token in Slack configuration. Okay, now again go back to the Slack, close this. Now you will see there's an option called auth information. So just scroll down, and now you see there's two options, both token swaps and user token swap. So you have to just add bot token swap because we are configuring our bot, not any user. Okay. So click on add auth scope, add multiple scope. So there's a multiple scope we can add, but you can easily add whatever you want. I have made this documentation, so I'm just copy and pasting all the scope that is required, so you can add accordingly. So I'm just speed up the video. So now we have added all the scopes. So now just click on the event subscription in the sidebar and open this on this. Click on this button. And in the documentation you can see there's over 3 more scope for the events. So just copy this scope and enter in this. So say about this, change this, after adding all 3. Now you have to just go back to the auth page and install this app in your workspace. So you can see the install button. Yeah, click on this install button. So your app will install in your workspace. You can see the workspace writing here, which we have selected earlier when we are creating the app. Now click on allow button. So we will, in this way, our app will be allowed by us. Now we have to copy this auth token. You can see this auth token. Just copy this and enter in the Slack bot. Now this is the Slack bot token. Enter it. Click on the save button. Now our bot has created and also connected to the Slack. We have to just restore our gateway again. Just restart it. Back to this. Just we have to add some one information, just one settings. In app home option, when you scroll down, you see the option of messaging tab. So please check this mark, because if you don't check this mark, you will not see the chat input option when you try to chat your Hermes Agent bot. So now I just reloading this. So enter the hi message simply. So click on it. So yeah, the reply has received. You can see the reply. Hi, how are you? Hi, I can help you. So yeah, in this way you can easily set up your Hermes agent with the Slack. In the session you will see the Slack has connected, and in the chat you can see the previous session of Slack here. So you can also manage the Slack session here. So this is enough for now, and if you like this video, so just